Check 1 3 1 3 1 3. Sound check. Sizzling in my kitchen. You know how we do it around here. Dan chef again up in the building. Yeah, we're kind of behind schedule, but you don't know. I go. Yeah. You tune in with the Grace. Took our show. Big up yourself, Grace. Yeah. Yeah, man, welcome aboard. Yeah, the Dan Chef show. You don't know. If you're new to the thing, you don't know Dan Chef in the Gaza kitchen. You see what I say? Up and forward. Yeah. Sizzle. Rain, stop, chisel. Yeah, man, when you go and test out the thing, I'm missing kind of behind schedule, but you don't know when the things have to go and see them, you don't. Up and running. Sizzle. Yeah. Yeah, man. Nobody knows tomorrow what bring what. Nobody knows tomorrow bring what. Tomorrow bring what. Tomorrow bring. Sizzling. Give it again, give it again, give it again. Up and gunning, up and gunning, up and gunning, up and gunning. You don't know a Dan Chef in the building, straight out of the Gaza kitchen. It's like that. Yeah, man, welcome aboard if you're new to the thing. You know, this is the day when Dan Chef take the time out to perform his music then. You see me I say, you don't know, a music and food we say around here. Yeah, music and food we say around here. Dan Chef, up, 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 and sizzling. Sizzle, rain and drizzle. It's just a pot in the kitchen and simmer down to gravy. You don't know. Ain't plain shady. Nothing like that around here. Yeah, up and sizzling. Up and sizzling. Yeah, man, welcome aboard, as I said. Big up on yourself, my people. Bless up on yourself and take the time out to see what I'm going in a Dan Chef's kitchen. You know, we do around here music and food to the world. You see what I say? We're kind of behind schedule, but you don't know. Things have to go and see me. You see? Up, 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 and forward. All right, we're running on the first tune. Up. Sizzle. Too much in the thing, killing. Too much blood is spilling. Up and forward. Big up yourself, Shumba, anywhere you're there. Up. Yeah. Got too much. You to kill off them one of them. Government to kill off people. Scientists kill off people. You to kill off them one of them. We need a change. You see me? You see me? This is not Hollywood. This is real. 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 Sizzle. Too much blood is spilling. And get your youths and the victims. Right here will be a change. Take away the pride away. And call us on that. Why you put an end? Right here will be a change. Everybody go up here crime and violence. No bird violate never make sense. Black a kill black, legalize and pens. Them not all number and not show no reference. Why you brother from a different brother would I like to take the life of another brother? So why the brother from a different but I would like to take the life of another brother. Too much innocent killing, too much blood is spilling, and get your youths and the victims. Plenty will be a change. Take away the pride and the call us on up. Why put up the entire village? Plenty will be a change. Till they get to the pray for the youths, I say pray for the youths. Justice for the youths, I say justice for the youths. All Babylon is what execute. Unity and love and we are deal with now. War and crime we don't want that now. It's a job to see them as them trying. Bring the visibility to you and morning. Too much innocent killing. Too much blood is spilling. And get your youths and the victims. Plenty will be a change. Take away the pride and the privilege. And call us on the privilege. Why you put an entire village? Plenty will be a change. Till they get to you them to open prayer. That's why I got Chinese like we no matter obstacles in your life, stay focused and don't go astray. Don't want to see me go down. They want to see me go under the ground. They don't want to see me rise. Get your youths, element of surprise. Too much innocent killing, too much blood is spilling, and get your youths are the victims. Plenty will be a change. Take away the pride and the privilege, and call us on the privilege. Why he put an entire village? Plenty will be a change. It's a love to the youths. Pray for the youths and we say pray for the youths. Justice for the youths and we say justice for the youth. All Babylon is what execute. Unity and love we got to do it now. War and crime we no want that no. The tired visit the mothers them crying. Bring the visibility to youths them mourning. Too much innocent killing. Too much blood is spilling. And get your youths and the victims. Plenty will be a change. Take away the pride and the privilege. And call us on the privilege. Why he put an entire village? Plenty will be a change. Plenty will be a change. And it's when there will be a change. Yeah, we need a change. You see me, I say up and forward, dance to the world. Straight out of the Gaza kitchen, big up all of the people in the team, up and forward. You see me, I say, welcome aboard if you're new to the team. And if you don't know the thing, but you don't know. Our music and food, we say dance. And we say multi-talented and skillful. You see, up and forward. You see, it's like that. So we do it around here. Up and sizzling. Too much innocent killing. It's like that. It's like that. Sizzle. Raise up, drizzle. I don't support in the kitchen and simmer. That we live. The life that we live. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know what they don't really care. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know how they don't really care. Living up against pull from the top. You see, enough of them don't know the struggle we are being around here. Enough struggle and art people go around, you know, to reach where we are. So we have to give thanks and praise to the Most High. You see, you have to be grateful for everything that He's doing for us and what He's about to do. Oh, yeah. And they don't know. I want to struggle poor people are there. And some of them are going like they don't care. Eh? I'm going like they don't care. They don't want to share nothing around here. Yeah, them say sharing is caring. Sizzle. Sizzle. Raise up, jizzle. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know what they don't really cheer. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know how they don't really care. But them don't reach nowhere. But some of them don't want me get my share. We work so hard every day and night just to take care of the kids and wife. Enough of them know that like it's a part of shit. All them don't want me to pursue the game. Them feel of would like them to see a back. Grabbing a barrel, I saw them stop. They would like to see you come back. Them every time to them give you no peace and dirty mind. But I when we back is against the wall. I check that me back, then not to see me fall. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know what they don't really care. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know what they don't really care. Living at the ghetto, we growing at the ghetto superstar, that is who we are. Funny did say that we never reach far, we never broke a shop, we never broke a bar. Negative people, them never smart. If you're optimistic, then shine like a star. Don't judge your book, this is my lead cover. First of all, you got to read 2 chapters, so you know my personality and character. So don't take me far, no push over, and don't take me far. No pretense, you know what my friend then, and at the ends, they don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. And they don't know the pressure we care. They really don't know what they don't really care. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know what they don't really care. They get the drift. Listen to my statement, read letter 2. You don't see the evidence, check the profile, multi-talent and skin code. They never know me when we never have a belly full. To them bad mind and unscrupulous. In a some people which I have not trust. Me never know mankind so evilous. Me know some things is so perilous. I mean everything they have to put down first. Like that we live. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know what they don't really care. They don't know the life that we live. Know the life that we live. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know what they don't really care. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know it. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know what they don't really care. The life that we live. The life that we live. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know what they don't really care. Sizzle. Sizzle. Yeah, it's like that up and forward. Down chef to the world, straight up to the Gaza kitchen, up and forward. You see me? Big up all of the people them up, up, up. Welcome aboard, welcome aboard, welcome aboard. Yeah, welcome aboard the Dan Chef Show, straight out to the Gaza kitchen. Big up Vibez Cartel straight. Yeah, big up all of the Gaza nation. Big up all of Britain. You see, big up all of Jamaica. Up and forward, all of Portmore, all of Kingston. From Kingston straight back to Mobile. Big up all of Painland. Big up Painland people them. You see me I say up and forward. Big up Jungle, Rima, Tivoli, Matches Lane, Southside, the whole of Kingston. Yeah, up and straight up, straight, sizzle. But in the kitchen, I simmer down to gravy. You see me, I say, Dan Chef to the world. One more track on them. One more track. I will step up the thing a little. But a little notch. You know, we do it around here, music and food. Get you in the mood. Yeah, whatever the mood is. Sizzle. How much up is up? And the chef. Baby girl, let my trap it. I saw them my trap it. Baby girl, let my trap it. I saw them my watch me. them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. I keep a pull, I saw them a trap me. Girl them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. I FBI, I saw them a watch me. Them a watch me night and day. Them a watch me do. I listen to everything they say. Like a purse, I saw them want snatch me. Money in a bank, I saw them want me. Like the food in a me pot, I saw them want me. To me and the chef, no one them want on me. Tell him a trap me, the guy them a trap me. I keep a pull, I saw them a trap me. Tell him a trap me, the guy them a trap me. Like FBI, I saw them a watch me. Tell him a trap me, the guy them a trap me. I keep a pull, I saw them a trap me. Tell him a trap me, the guy them a trap me. Like FBI, I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me like a paparazzi. And I said that me a silly pretty. And I said, you are silly pretty. A fool be a pretty in the community. So tell the girl then, come watch me in my kitchen. Come watch me on the stage. Come watch me in the soda. Come watch me. Tell them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. I keep a pull, I saw them a trap me. Tell them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. I take the out, I saw them a watch me. Tell them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. I keep a pull, I saw them a trap me. Tell them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. I take the out, I saw them a watch me. Them a love like them a set up me to girly. But every girl want a piece of the action. We have to give them the satisfaction. But them don't have money if they trap me. And them don't know all you can wreck me. This a boy no wrong with me. Hey, tell them a trap me, tell them a trap me. I keep a boy, I saw them a trap me. Tell them a trap me, tell them a trap me. I keep the high, I saw them a watch me. Tell them a trap me, tell them a trap me. I keep a boy, I saw them a trap me. Tell them a trap me, tell them a trap me. I keep the high, I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me night and day. Them a watch me too. And listen to everything they say. Like a purse, I saw them want snatch me. Money in a bank, I saw them want. The food in a me pot, I saw them want. To me and the chef. Tell them a trap me, they carry them up. Like jeans a boy. Tell them a trap me, they carry them a trap me. Like FBI, I saw them a watch me. Tell them a trap me, they carry them a trap me. Like jeans a boy, I saw them a trap me. Tell them a trap me, they carry them a trap me. Like FBI, I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me. I saw them a like FBI, I saw them a they carry them a trap me. I saw them a sizzle, madness, down chef to the world. You go put the 7 people up and forward. You see what I say? It's like that. Music and food. Yeah, but that's a kick through the tune in one. You see? Up. They must start trap me. Yeah. I'm sure swag man. They must stop trapping. Mad song around here. You know, I want to call swag madness. Turn it up on them. Different attitude. You see me? It's swag. It's all insane. It's all in. It's all in. It's swag. It's all insane. It's all insane. It's all insane. You never have a team, no everything change. No me a go turn up, this swag up and them turn up, this swag up and them turn up, this swag up and them. No you will have them come be my friend too. Every day they step up. Take care of my personality. When they touch the sea, can you live in my life and it's not no dream? It's swagger, it's all insane. It's all insane. It's all insane. It's swagger, it's all insane. It's all insane. It's all insane. Don't let us people stop. They used to stand up. No more can't slash me up. No money. It's not an object, come lifestyle change, everything percent. Everywhere you go, people are call out me name. It's the cause of the money, and the cause of the fame. No for them would like me go up to nothing but a tune and I know say this one it's always, it's always, it's always, this one it's always, it's always, it's always you never about to know everything. No for them trap dead. Whenever you eat piece of dry bread and go to bed, but you God bless and say no man curse. Don't be Lord, I'm not the worst. Yet as a second trap pandemic reverse. So you hear me? It's my God. It's always there. It's always there. It's always there. It's my God. It's always there. It's always there. It's always there. You never have a team, no everything change. No need to go to know this what up and then turn up this what up and then turn up this what up and then. No, the one of them want come be my friend. Every day they step up, fresh and clean. Take care of me. Honey, you get up. Tommy living my life and it's what it's always there. It's always, it's always. The swagger is always, it's always say, it's always say, mad swagger. We church can't wear them so higher. Where's the Arsenal and can't wear them so higher? Bellevue in Jamaica can't wear them so higher. Mad. It's like that. Big up on yourself, my people. Much love and appreciation for the time and the effort to see what one up in a dance chef kitchen, and you don't know what we do around here every Sunday, you know, from 7 to 8, but I'm kind of running behind schedule, but you don't know, the show off for once, you see, show off for once, see me, one more tune upon them, God show the swagger kill them, show the swagger kill them, and then bad mind. Clean up them dirty heart. Me no know all them bad mind. It's so. Expect to read what they don't so. Tell them nothing. So. After them feel on them, they can go. Me no know all them bad mind. It's so. Expect to read what they don't so. Tell them nothing, don't go so. I saw them steal from them, go. Them say them are your friend, them are your worst enemy. Them are opportunists, never fifth enemies. Might as well them go up them neck over the cliff. You try in your best to make it in a life. You bad mind peace and want give a fight. The more them fight, the more we strive. We see from afar, we see very clear. And we carry enough for them a try to snare. Tell them stay far, tell them beware. We solid and firm, no well prepared. We not just people, I jam in fear. We don't know all them bad mind. So. Expect to read what they don't so. Tell them nothing, don't go so. I saw them steal from me, and I go. I think I know if you have in a life. Why you don't feel I'm nothing in a life? The more I like to see the pump there, then you get time to the child. Your name in a them flat butcher. But I check this and show about that. And God alone, He knows what. But remember, I said, I can't more chill car, them love chat. Me don't know all them bad mind is so. Expect to read what they don't so. telling nothing don't go so. I saw them stay from the little and I go. Fire me a bun pan a bad mind. Got them true bad mind and unscrupulous. Everywhere they take them a think corruption. Don't them out before them start in accumulation. Bad mind never see the worst of me. To always provide for me. When the back is against the wall, bad mind never see my downfall. Me don't know how them bad mind is so. Expect to read what they do so. Telling nothing go so. I saw them stay from the little and I go. They don't know how them bad mind is so. Expect to read what they do so. Telling nothing go so. Yeah, nothing don't go like that. Nothing don't go like that, but some people is like that. They want to bad mind you for your own. They want to kill you for your own. They don't want to go and get their own. You see, they want a man to work until all the side and they want to come reap. Reap the harvest. No Sankey no sing so. Straight. No Sankey no sing so. So all of the people that can relate to this, so they know what I talk about. Yeah, up and forward. Sizzle. Rain stop drizzle. Bad mind people, stay far. Up and gunning. Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Up. More blessing. More blessing. More blessing. More blessing. Big up yourself, snapper. But we can hear of the Lord, you know, the beginning of wisdom. Sizzle. Wisdom is more precious than silver and gold. Silver and gold will vanish away. Wisdom is here to stay. Yes, sir. Johnny Deal, Johnny Deal, who don't like Jack, get out of here. Johnny Deal, Johnny Deal, who don't like Jack, I don't care. Johnny Deal, Johnny Deal, who don't like Jack, get out of here. Kings of kings, the lords of lords, the conquering like I know when what is overall. Alpha, I make a beginning and the end. My refuge, my fortress, my never-ending friend. Bless up the woman for the man. Bless the pouring spirit, cause them never rebel. Cause them know what life is really worth. Sometimes it get hard, sticky and tough, but them hold the feet and then not give up. I tell me praise, I love me praise. Who don't like that, get out of here. I tell me praise, I love me praise. Who don't like that? I tell me, I love me. Who don't like that? I tell me, I love me. Who don't like that? Great and marvelous in all his works. He made the heaven, he made the earth. Just to make man, he made create. He made me neatly, he never made no mistake. He put me on me nose, me mouth, everything in a place. And me time off me, food in on me plate. Even though I am not worthy of his praise, things he done for me. It's so amazing. It's my own pardon, my constant spring. I jam it here, I love it here. Who don't like that? Get out of here. I jam it, I love it. Who don't like that? I jam it here. Get out of here. I jam it here. It's like an unto thee. Only he could have part the Red Sea and set the children of Israel free. Terror and an army torn in a sea. Me no fret, and say me no worry. When you wicked them, start praying me. I check at me back and angel like I me. They can touch me body, but they can't touch me soul. Check at me life and a full control. As I be here, who don't like Jack? I tell you here, who don't like Jack? I tell you here, who don't like Jack? I tell you, yeah, give thanks and praise to the Most High every time. Yeah, give praise to The Most High, glory be unto him. Yeah, we praise God and honor man, honor them works, honor your brother and your sister works. Yeah, but God be the glory. Up and forward, sizzle, sizzling in the kitchen. Sizzle. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on you. I'm on you. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on you, Boris. I'm on you, Boris. Me got money, but me not go run it down. Me not go do nothing funny to get some. And like someone they go post them gun. And like someone they go sell them gun. As me, we have to bird to me tree start as up. One go up the full basket. Me not go put it at when you can't reach it. The copper, the pence, me not refuse it. Me not only poverty get the best of me. Me have to go there and get what is for me. Me no sinners, me never. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the Boris. I'm on the Boris. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the Boris. I'm on the Boris. It's a legal tender. The prayer will keep on the agenda. But with the money, no me never stoop down far. No me never sell my sword over. Even though no one X5 and Range Rover. Me money I feel of like a roll over. No more money for me sons and the daughter. Get a proper education for them future. Someone make money with them brother fi bad, but right time me I tell you from the start, money can't change me, that is straight from the heart. Can't change me, that is straight from the heart. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on you. I'm on you. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on you, Boris. I'm on you, Boris. Money for the Jamaican youth them. Money for the African brother them. Tina girl them. Money for the 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 whole world. It's about money, just happy money. Me tired of the money to keep the face me. Anna, me I don't know that the majority cause everybody want money. I bring some of the money to us. Man like God, even though a bad mind, I want that remember. We have a big family and only my friends them are depend on me. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the Boris. I'm on the Boris. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the Boris. I'm on the Boris. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the I'm on the everywhere you go, it's a straight up for real. Money worries, and I then got the mint. Imagine, I then got the mint. Oh boy, you see. I then got the mint, I then print money. And poor people and stop killing up them one another for money. Poor people all do all type of things for money. You see. I saw them say the thing. You see me I say, up and forward, big up on yourself, people. Welcome aboard. Yeah, it's like that. One more tune on them. One more. Keep it off. Dance shift the world. How we say music and food, multi-talent and skillful. No, how we say that? And some poor can be our friend now. It's like that. Sizzle. Because some people can't be our friend. My friend different from my acquaintance. You see? How about to them? We take friendship serious. Be my friend. Will never 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 be my friend. Some boy just run off the ball. I'm a poor what can I know? Some boy never pass over. I'm a flex like Shibana. My friend different from my acquaintance. So we keep some boy at a distance. Like every speed I put up persistence. Give them to me, say, oh, that is sisters. Will never be my friend. Will never be my friend. Will never be my friend. Some boy will never be my friend. Could I never be my? Could I never be my? I bring this praise from humiliation. I can see them not have education. They see it clear, say they need salvation. Evil thoughts and the daily meditation. Consequently, they get the retribution. They are the girl in perfect combination. That's why we give them in a style, those fashions. Could I never be my? Could I never be my? Could I never be my? So will never be my friend. Will never be my friend. Will never be my friend. Some boy them too damn very high. Some boy them. That's why I'm not any man I trust. Some boy will. Why some will? Some boy will cheer for you. Man a leader boy we no follow. Some boy will never be my friend. Will never be my. Will never be my. Some boy will never be my friend. Will never be my friend. Will never be my friend. Will never be my. Will never be my. Some boy will never be my. Will never be my. Will never be my. Sizzle. Yeah, as you say, friend is different from acquaintance. Friend is different from associate. Yeah, got to pick and choose with a friend, and we take friendship serious. Yeah, friend to the end. Friend stand up for you. Friend don't tell you the wrong thing. Friend always there for you. You see, up and forward. Big up on the 70 people. Loyalty around here. Up. Sizzle. Yeah man, big up all the woman them, big up all the woman them. No fluff. Respect for all the man them. Tick on. You don't wanna hear that man, them a girl, you don't wanna work this man, them a foolish man. But the girl them want to the real boss man. And a girl you don't wanna hear that man, then a girl you don't wanna worship. Then a girl you don't wanna. But the girl them want to the real boss man. You hear that man, you work this man, you foolish man. But the girl them want to the real boss man. You know what I want to love and treat them right. Take them to places that them like. Enough to treat the bird and extra nice. Show them what a real man is like. Treat the bird and like they are the first passion of the key in the heart. In the bedroom, she want me to turn the ring to show. And a girl you don't wanna hear that man. And a girl you don't wanna. And a girl you don't wanna. But the girl you want to do. And a girl you don't wanna hear that man. And a girl you don't wanna. And a girl you don't wanna. But the girl you want to do real fast man. What I want to watch and she can't run. She want a man for massage her whole body down. The girl them want stability. Yes, them want security. The girl them want loving and affection. My girl, she ain't enough attention. Me take a boy, girl. Can you not give them can? Girl, you no wanna eat that man. Then a girl, you no wanna work this man. Then a girl, you no wanna foolish man. When the girl them walk at the real boss man. Girl, you no wanna. Then a girl, you no wanna. Then a girl, you no wanna. When the girl them walk at the. They make a take care of your girl. You have a lose your girl. I got that for your girl. And you never spend no time with your girl. I got all the fun time. I go on the front line. I'm resort to violence. I'm free your conscience. And a girl, you no wanna hear that man. And a girl, you no wanna work this man. Girl, you no wanna foolish man. But if you walk at the real boss man, then a girl, you no wanna hear that man. Girl, you no wanna work this man. Then a girl, you no wanna foolish man. But the girl, you walk at the real boss man. Woman want a man pull up and treat them right. Take them to places. You have to treat the girl, you know? Show them what I mean. Treat the girl, they will like the army. That the key for the RR, she get it. Now in their room, she want to put on the ring, because she want to be the wife. Girl, you no wanna hear that man, then a girl, you no wanna. Then a girl, you no wanna. But the girl, them walk at the real boss man. Hear that man. The worthless man. The foolish man. And the real boss man. Hear that man. The worthless man. The foolish man. And the real boss man. The hear that man. The worthless man. Yeah. It's like that. And I mean, say so now. I don't want them to say so. Up and forward. You know? I just put it in a tune and say it. You know? Phone up. Yeah. And the woman them says so true. They don't want to hear that man around here. Don't rock this man around here. You see? Likewise, man don't want to hear that one up and forward. It's like that. Big up on yourself, the people. Yeah. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself. Up and sizzling in the Gaza kitchen. You don't know, we do it around here. Music and food. Straight out of the Gaza kitchen, put you in the mood. Whatever the mood is in. Down chef, sizzle. Yeah, up and sizzling. Let me find the next tune. Let me find the next tune. Yeah, up and sizzling. Yeah, man. I tune a call. If it wasn't me, it would be somebody else. You see, I have some man around. I kill after woman them. Through the woman said the relationship done. Man I kill the woman them. I want to go on. If you kill after the woman them, you never let be a man. We don't want to be a man there. Love the woman them and respect the man them. You see what I say? Some man no want the woman to move on. If the woman say it done, it done. If you're not say eye to eye again, like how they used to see, let's move on. You see me? And don't let it get to violence. So they say, if it wasn't me, it would be someone that has seen her, right? It's like that. Sizzle. I want to kiss someone. You don't know. Step aside. Somebody else, if you need that, things will be tight up. If it was me, you care to see that it would be somebody else. If it were, it's time to move on, remand, stand firm on the land. Man, like I wanna make woman think we weak, and I wanna know nobody should be a speak. Obsessive, possessive, compulsive, freak, searching her, more iPhone when she asleep. She find out she get change, she tell him not me things secure. Think it can change, think it speed. When she in a bed, that think he must sleep, he must eat enough man, make enough woman cheap. They clear to see that it would be somebody else. If you did not treat you the right, things would be tight. Stop hurting up your big head. If it was me, you care to see that it would be somebody else. If you were like you went down, it's time to move on. Rewind, stand firm and there. The other day, me and me mobile a ring. Me take up the phone and me start listening in the ear. And I got check and go put on my skin. Say what? Long phone you ring me brethren. The happy brother really everything is everything. But she left me tonight. Something no right and move on and stop the memory. If it was me, you care to see that it would be somebody else. If you did not treat you the right, things would be tight. Stop hurting up your big head. If it was me, you care to see that it would be somebody else. If you girl that you want down, it's time to move on. Rewind, stand firm and there. Some man love chill up and ends. Can't let them come and go there with no friends. Oh man, they only start people up a fence. Next thing you know, she in her next man dance. Man, get vex and turn to violence. Start selling trend, but that no make sense. If you spend quality time with the girl will be happy to free your conscience. If it was me, you care to see that it would be somebody else. If you did not treat you the right, things would be tight. Stop hurting up your big head. If it was me, you care to see that it would be somebody else. If you girl let you and gone, it's time to move on. We want stand for man. Man, I don't want to come and take away. Man, I don't know what the truth be has been. Obsessive, possessive, compulsive, freak. Such a girl more like for when she asleep. She find out she get chill to tell him not greetings secure. Guilty conscience, it has been. When she in her bed and thinking must sleep in a peak. No man, let no woman cheat. If it was me, you care to see that it would be somebody else. If you did not treat you the right, things would be tight. Stop hurting up your big head. If it was me, you care to see that it would be somebody else. If you girl let you back on, it's time to move on. Real man stand for man. Sizzle, real man stand for man, don't melt. Yeah. If the man say done it done, move on. You don't have to create no excitement. You see, up and forward. Up and forward. Yeah, big up on yourself and people. It's like that. It's like that. You know, we do it around here. Dance chef to the world. Alright, one more tune. I don't know, so we are the chef. So, we have to have the food tune. Up and sizzling. Up and sizzling. Yeah. A lot of people that will love the Jamaican food. You know, our food tune is. You know, it's not chef. The food man. You know, we got the food plan. Big up myself, people, up and forward. You know, I call on the name, you know. I hold up a name. So I don't want nobody feel left out. I want to big up myself. Up. In my kitchen, you know the menu is out. And the food is ready. Sizzling. And they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. And the jolly girl, they might take safe on. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. And the jolly girl, they might. They don't want a electrician and they don't want a technician. They don't want a physician and they don't want a politician. They don't want a superman and they don't want a policeman. They don't want a gunman and they don't want a madman. When they walk at the real food man, he got the chef, he got the food plan. The feet up the girl, it's strong. When he got love them long. Make them know me know what make them know what the complete the job. Make them know me at the men's woman. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. Happy jolly. No, these are the food when we feed them pan. Aki and salfish, don't pay and jam. Liver and cantaloupe. Beside that tattoo, fry dumpling. They no want no more. Tigger evening, rice and peas. That a Sunday, Monday cooking. Tuesday, curry goat and plain rice. Wednesday, you know what church chicken. You know that thing is finger licking. Everybody back up, they say in the kitchen, cut the chicken, the real and the keep waiting. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. And we got it, that them a take second. My French fried chicken. They say KFC, no finger licking. They say damn chef, you want the food king. Straight from Jamaica, straight to foreign, that's a different to Jamaica. And Jacqueline Barrett, Susan, they get the same thing. Andra, she don't be jerk chicken, she don't be cut up early in the morning, like when we cut up the steel in the kitchen. Sonia, I don't want franchising in the kitchen. I eat curry, pork and rice. They have to go in the head and our Jesus Christ. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. I be carry them a take second. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. I be carry them a take second. When they feed them pan, I keep my saltfish something like that. Liver and cantaloupe. Beside that tattoo, take a one of the more. Rice to the peas. That a Sunday. Tuesday. Wednesday, you know what? You know what that thing is? Everybody pop up is a thing. And the chicken billion and they keep waiting. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. They might take second. Food man, they got the food. Mad. Don't play with the chef. I want someone to talent and skillful. I want someone that make them eat that are belly full, eh? I want someone that more, eh? Up and forward. You know, we do it around here. Downshift to the world. Straight out of the Gaza kitchen. And it's sizzling. It's sizzling up. Yeah, I'm coming down to my time. You know. All right. I'm going to find it again. You make the moment the people. And so I use the sriracha, you know, just still have them in the same old format. So it take me a little while. Take me a little while to get to them. Come on, don't mess around. Not that one. Not that one. One. Bear with me, people. Bear with me. Yeah. It's interesting. You know, I'm not stop from the start, you know. I'm not stop from the start, so everything happen for a purpose. Everything happen for a purpose. If you believe that, do you believe that? Yeah. You see, it's the tune that we really look for. Let me never need that tune I'm not bad. It's like enough to do that tune, yeah. Some people that say, whoa, I can't do them type of song there. But an entertainment and nothing too dirty. It ain't nothing too dirty about it. And us music. So don't take it too personal. Yeah. And if you feature that tune, because no people not hear me DJ that tune yet, man. No people not hear that tune. Even though you see that tune, that tune is a remix tune. After the style of G rhythm, what them call dumpling. Yeah. I have a version on it, but I never too play it in a car. You see, two people reading, I never like to promote the song from people. Insulin. But catch a listen. Take a listen to that one now. Don't say too out of order in the car. We're big people. Yeah. We're big people around here. We're big people around here, no? I got them thing, you know. I mean, say so. I get them. What do I take we don't join? Pump for cash, pump for cash, pump for cash, and the girl them say that. Pump for cash, pump for cash, so pump cat them use and wash. Pump for cash, pump for cash, pump for cat them use and wash. Pump for cash, pump for cash, and the girl them say that. It clean and pretty while some pum pum make ugly and smelly. Some pum pum make while some pum pum me love it come inside. If me have a pum pum in a me yard, me have a office, me not want no rapist. Just make a circle on the district. They got cash for dash, me got the leverage. Pum pum army, they palm me mind. You see that? Miss one more time, I can't trap me off the sign. She have worried her clients on the phone line. She not waste no time. Pump for cash, pump for cash, pump for cash. And the girl them say that. Pump for cash, pump for cash, pump for cash. Then I make that dash. Pump for cash, pump for cash. Soap and rub them use and wash. Pump for cash, pump for cash, pump for cash. And the girl them say that. Come on a pump hunting. When the girl them ready for the pumping. Up in the belly, the food man jumping. Fat it up like a pumpkin. Me have the pump never varies. If you think I like asking that Alice. She get rich, pump man achieve things, pump achieve things. Man in a club has enough money in a cheese, pump make man lose their mind. But it's not a crime. I mean them now. Me still want to suit up on me. So in the morning, about 6 o'clock, when we jump and skip that me do upscash. Pump for cash, pump for cash, pump for cash, and the girl them say that. Pump for cash, pump for cash, so up and rock them use and cash. Pump for cash, pump for cash, pump for rock them use and cash. Pump for cash, pump for cash, pump for cash, and the girl them say that. Pump for cash, pump for cash, pump for cash, them have it cash. Pump for cash, pump for cash, so up and rock them use and wash. Pump for cash, pump for cash, pump for cash, and the girl them say that. Pump for cash, pump for cash, so up and rock them have it cash. Pump for cash. Yeah, yeah, man. It's not too explicit. It don't too explicit. Yeah, some people will say, oh, what kind of song that? But a real thing, you know, a real thing that happened, and that is how music go. Yeah, you get topics from various things, you get vibes on various things. You know, and yeah, them say so. Me just write tune and do tune. Some people will say, oh, it's like, no, we are big people. You see, we are big people. We can't say anything. I don't know to pervert. You see. Anyway, have I run one more tune phone? One more tune. Come time I forward up. I go fast and fast and fast. You don't know. I want what we say. 1 hour upon the thing up and sizzling. Up and sizzling. Up and sizzling. Up and sizzling. Final review. Sizzle. Rinse up chisel. Boom clap, hot talk, them up down. Faster than bullets, so deep boy them a run. Don't let them shut down, they set out at the sun. When them sit this big 45 magnum. Boom clap, hot talk, them up down. Faster than bullets, so deep boy them a run. Don't let them shut down, they set out at the sun. When them sit this big 45 magnum. We never give them no inch. Pull up my selector. Sizzle. We just show versatility. We DJ pandemic topics. You see, the got started. Sizzle. You said boom clack, hot hot no. Faster than birds, that's what deep wide them a run. Run let them shut down, they said out at the sun. When them city speak 45 no. Boom clack, hot hot no. Faster than birds, that's what deep wide them a run. Run let them shut down out at the sun. When them city speak 45 we never give them no chance. Feed them turn back. We just breathe, pop off, and no seat, no stop. I leave to the tree. The boy in my trap, and I reach out at your can't take man fist. But I be a bullseye. When we got post one shot, and we make your extra short like when right food truck. To the arena, we say in a gold box. Make your own family just in a full suit. They say boom, clack, hot and the magno. Faster than boom, that's what the boy in my road. Run if they shut down, we say, oh, that is on. But them see this big 45 magno. Give them an inch and then take a yard. Give them a yard and then take a mile. Give them a gram and then take a kilo. I saw me know, me that go down then slow. When this magnum rise, people have to eye when this magnum rise. People have to die when this magnum rise. Police don't come around. When this magnum rise, people run out that door. They say, boom, clack, oh, that the magnum. Faster than boom, that's what the boy them around. Run let them shut down, they say, oh, that is all. When they see this big 45 magnum. Boom, clack, oh, that the magnum. Faster than boom, that's what the boy them around. Run let them shut down, they say, oh, that is all. When they see this big 45 magnum. Give them a inch and take a yard. Give them a yard and take a mile. Give them a gram and take a kilo. I saw me know, we have to go very slow. When this magnum rise, people have to eye. When this magnum rise, people have to die. When this magnum rise, police don't come on around. When this magnum rise, people don't know that. But boom, clack, hot and the magnum. Faster than boom, so the boy them around. Run let them shut up. Both at the sun, when they see this big 45 magnum. Good. Yeah. How they want to get too violent, you know? We have to make them know some reverse style like that. We don't have to preach badness, you know. We have to preach badness. What we have to know say. Reverse style like that. You see me I say? Yeah. Don't play with the chef. The chef might look cool and simple, but don't play with him. He ain't no walkover, mate. Get this in your ticket straight. Anyway, one more tune. Sizzle. It's like jizzle. Alright, you know the joke if I want to. Me not go fight with me woman again. Me not go fight with me woman again. Me not go fight with me woman again. Give me woman too bad. Give me woman too bad. Give me girlfriend too bad. Give me woman too bad. Give me woman too bad. Me and me woman catch up, we go fight. I mean, double the fist and make it right. Me know say I'm proving how she start like. She start, we're gonna kill you tonight. True, in a big kitchen, a typical, be nice. Me no matter run, coming off every fight, every single come tree in now, the back side, offering 2 wire chicken on the back side. It's so weird. It look like say you was happy, and she said yes. Then the one that live good one, because you are the man, and she got the woman. But tonight I will get fear satisfaction, knowing. So I go fight so few rigorously. Maybe I open it, me call karate, but the disco, I said you come out over down me. She said, please, pull. Pull up. Your belly full up. Your belly full up. Don't play with the chef. You see me, I said, big up on yourself with people. I hope you not enjoy the thing, you know. Yeah. Time for the time, I'm patient. We see what going in the chef kitchen. Straight out of the Gaza kitchen, we say, you don't know. We do it around here, music and food to the world. Big up all the Gaza nation. Yeah, big up Vice Cartel every time. Big up Sean Storm and all the Gaza family. Big up the God side, see me, set speed. Yeah. One more time, Polly. Short time. Short time. And I want to warm up. Warm up. Warm up. Alright, different music, different thing. I love the girls them every D-A-Y. I love the girls them every D-A-Y. Because of them, those by the S-I-D-E, I will A-B-I-D-E. I love the girls them every day. Because of them, I love the girls them every D-A-Y. Because of them, I know the girls and every D-A-Y. But close by there, S-I-D-E, I will A-B-I-D-E. I know the girls and every day. Because of them. No matter if them ugly or them pretty, no matter if them black or the white teeth, rich or poor, it no matter only because we love them. And that is endlessly. Me not go give them no, but me not go give them eating. Me not go this, me not go not take body. Sweet, no, we not get the plenty. Oh, son, and we get that from me. Guys, yo, short time. Don't play with the chef. And this is the last reading. Over my cup, me just have one bounce it. Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Sizzle. Short time. Short time. A short time, you say? Alright, you say I'm going to say short time. That means I'm prime time. Prime time, you know, because I'm looking fine. Give me again, let I catch it right on the top, mate, let I catch it right and precisely. Yeah, you know, we eat nicely around here, dance chef, to the world, music and food. And we say multi-talented and skillful. Yeah, up and sizzling. Sizzling. What time is it? It's prime time. It's prime time, 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 it's prime time. Prime time, the body doesn't looking fine. Prime time, and every man matter why. Prime time, the body doesn't looking fine. It's prime time, it's prime time, it's prime time. Enough man want to work, enough man want to touch, enough from chat them in a bed and kill them up with. But when you're sad, tell them if you check it down off them, why give you this standing look, but don't touch. The way them not allow them ostentatious, them so lush and go delicious. Then we put you in a spot that them presumptuous. Every time you see them, say them tempting to touch, man. Start cash car, truck and van. Just to take a prescription upon them bottom. It's prime time, it's prime time, it's prime time, it's prime time, it's prime time. Prime time, the movie girls are looking fine. Prime time, and every man want a wine. Prime time, it's prime time, it's prime time. The girl them smooth like I get chocolate. Them fresh like the food them in a basket. Them crisp like the pound them in the pocket. Of the poor and the talent carrot. Day and night, man, I lost suffer it. And I wish they could receive the benefit. The way them a dollar and exclusive. Give me the girl them coming up. It's bright time, it's bright time, it's bright time. It's bright time on the girl I'm looking for. The bright time on every man want a wine. Bright time, bright time, bright time. No, but I feel love, I feel touch, no, I kept everything out there. And get my pin. But while I saw, tell them if you check, I don't know the wine. You look this time, you look, but don't touch. The way in a girl move ostentatious, the lush and so good, delicious. Then we put you in a spot, having presumptuous. Prime time, prime time, prime time. It's prime time, look on it. It's prime time, and every man want a prime time, prime time. Prime time, prime time, and the girls are looking fine. Prime time, and every man wants a wine. Prime time, prime time, prime time. The girl them smooth like ice chocolate. Them crisp like the food them in my basket. Them crisp like the bone them in my pocket. Them fresh like the food them in my basket. Of the poor and the child they charity. Yeah, and night when I was suffer it, and I wish they could receive the benefit. To be the never good and exclusive. And they want to know what in the package me not. Yo, big up yourself, people. You don't know dance work around your music and food. Get you in the right mood. Whatever the mood is it up and forward. I want one more tune on it. And then that's it for the night. Yeah. Big up yourself. Remember, share up the thing up and running straight out of the Gaza kitchen. Yeah, dance chef to the world. All right. The one on him, the one on him, the one on him. Let him. Take, good care of your body. Take, good care of your body. Take, good care of your. The one on him, everybody. Take, good care of your body. Take, good care of your body. Take, good care of your body. Take, you know. Check your body good and check it properly. Fix up your face, brighten up your feature. Believe your ability to pick up blue, mama. Your ear to dry, wet it up with water. Your eyes to not to clean out the matter. Clean out the bones from your nose era. So you can smell my food it better. Keep your mouth smelling fresh, make it have a nice odor. That means your brush and floss is regular. Brush them from prick with some to corner. But if you have rotten teeth in your jaw, corner, come in. Lick it all with a chisel and a hammer. 2 times daily, you fit all that shower. Wash down your back and for your shoulder. And your arm should be bad odor. Now, gently wash out your private ear and your deep cutting yourself like a grater. Rub it down with piece of sandpaper. Cut your toenails, the shoes that fit your bed. So take good care of your body. Take good care of your body. Take good care of your body. Take care of. Eat good food and keep your body healthy. Exercise yourself frequently. Drink up your tonic, but too much whiskey. Too much beer give you lager belly. Drink a lot of water, purify your body. Drink up your eat your vegetable, eat up your fibers, so your body can flow much freer. Watch your weight and calorie. Yo, take good care of your body. Take good care of your body. Take good care of your body. Take. Keep your body good and keep it properly. Fix up your face, brighten up your feature. Then if you need to get up blue, mama, if you eat too dry, wet it up with water. Yes, your eye too must clean up the matters. Clean up the bugs from your nose era. So you can smell that chef food better. Keep your mouth smelling fresh, make it have a nice odor. That means you can brush and floss. Regular brush Credit on the corner, but if you have nothing to do by the jar, and correctly take the whole protection ladder, to the daily of people are so what's on the butt, I saw the shoe that, hey, on a young and the heavy back order. Gentlemen was such a private ear, and the people consequently listen like a creator. Rubbing over pieces, scissor, I don't see human. You see what I say? It's real, but it's humorous. Yeah. I have to do it like that. I don't want to offend anyone. I don't try to offend anyone, but personal hygiene is good. You see. A long time I'm like a tune, I know. And you see, you never come talk about wash your hand and all that and make sure you wash your hand every day. A long time we are doing them thing there. Yeah. Keep personal hygiene. Yeah. Keep your surrounding clean. And not just self, but keep your bed clean, keep your house clean, keep everywhere clean. You see, looking at the kitchen. Come in the kitchen. And I mean alone live. Could they look clean? Healthy hygiene. You see me I say? I wish I was gun food. And you don't know so when you're dealing with food, you have to clean. Yeah, that's a part of the teaching. You have to be clean. You have to be clean. Food hygienic. You see? A lot of people like that, I that for today. So you don't know why God bless up for the time and the effort to see what go on in the dance kitchen. You don't know. And music and food is straight out of the Gaza kitchen. You see me I say big up Vibez Cartel, up and forward. We now say big up World Boss. Yeah, our DJ, up and forward. Big up all of the Gaza nation, big up all the Portmore people, them all of the Newland people them. Yeah, Nagohead, Cumberland, Southborough, Bridgeport, Waterford, Gregory Park, Christian Penn. Yeah, Greater Portmore, Brighton, Old Brighton, New Brighton. Yeah, the whole of Portmore, big up the whole of Kingston 11. Yeah, from Pienland straight back, real round, so up, so down, so and round, so. Yeah, big up Pienland, big up Chisholm Avenue, big up all of the people from Walton Park. You see me I swear, back to, you see me I say Cockburn, Penn. Yeah, the whole of Walton, from Walton Spanish Town Road. Yeah, Rima, Jungle, Tivoli. Yeah, up and forward, then and town, Anna Town, Rose Town, Trench Town, a Wallipot Town. Yeah, ain't no strange town. Yeah, up and forward. Big up. I'm out till next week. Catch up.